Hello everybody, we are doing our house tour for our second location. This is a Verbo in Esperanza on an island off the east coast of Puerto Rico. So if you just want to show them the front lawn, it's got some nice greenery, some grass. You got some mangoes to your left. Yeah, I don't know what the tires are for, but you know, they're here, maybe decorated purposes. But welcome to the front of the house. Here we have Bert. Yesterday was his birthday. Say happy birthday in the comments. Now we make our way up. More decorations. You got seashells, rocks, bed coral, mangoes, and our things.
Here you go, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Here you go, Mr. Hong.
Here's the front
Mrs. Hong
of the house. You got the living room, and you got the TV, and then you got our kitchen. You got a microwave, filtered water, all the good things you need in a kitchen. With that being said, we'll take it to the first room. So this is the first bedroom. They got a nice large bed, still didn't fit on it, and a bunk bed. Not much else to it. Nice AC unit. Did us well last night. And then we're gonna make our way out to the second bedroom. Here's the second bedroom. A little bit larger and nicer. Yeah, it's just another bed. Good AC unit. And we have La Familia. Alright. Someone's in the bathroom right now, so we can do that last.
Pretty sure that someone always leaves.
Yeah. Here's the backyard. Nice little area. You got washer, dryer, some accessories for the beach. This nice patio in the back, I think. I don't know what they call that. You got like a little pool on the right. They gave us some cornhole, these nice chairs, nice and comfortable. You know, nice sitting space, especially after a long day at the beach. And then you got a little sink, grill, and my personal favorite, Kelsey and I and Burke used this last night. Great outdoor shower, great water pressure. I think it comes from that tank over there, if you want to show them that. I'm not sure, but this is almost too hot for me to shower in right now. Come feel this, Kels, honestly. Oh, it cooled off.
It's still warm.
Yeah, it takes it from that, and I think the sun warms it up during the day, because last night it was cold. So if you just want to show them that. And that's it. All right. Actually, yeah, bathroom. So someone got out. Nope. It's nothing special. It's just, you know, your everyday bathroom. So, with that being said, house tour. Thanks for watching. See you next time.